Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an audio video for your music. Your audio should look a bit like this and you should have fun doing it. So I'm going to be using After Effects, and you want to import your photo and your audio. So you want to size your photo so it's bigger than the screen. Then you want to go to Layer, New, and then press Shape Layer. Then you want to put it all over your full video. And then you want to make the color black. And you want to put it all over the picture. Like that. Then you want to go to transform. Then you want to go to opacity, depending on the brightness. My image is pretty bright, so we're going to put it at 75%. So it's alright, it doesn't look great. So now we're going to add a blur to it. I usually add blurs to the shape layer and also the photo layer. It gives it more of a refined look. So after you've blurred them both, it should look a bit like this. So it'll look pretty good. But it looks a bit basic, right? And it doesn't really look very nice. So you want to close the effects window and import the same image, but just cropped to a square. So there's my image. It should look normal, except it's been cropped. And then you want to just resize it. So it's about 1/8 the size of the original image. And you want to put it in the left. Then you want to select the text. And then you want to make a new text layer and say the name of your music. You can change the font, the colors to whatever you like, but I'm just gonna do Calibri white, and I'm gonna do the size of 70 about. I'm using the track Alphabet Boy, and then you want to make a new text layer and put it underneath the original text layer, and then just say the artist name. So in this case it's Melanie Martinez. Spell it right. Then want to just position it so it doesn't look very awkward. You can also add other touches later. So you can add maybe an audio spectrum if you would like. But that's a whole separate video for me. So this is a very simple, audio video for your music or sound effects or whatever. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like it, maybe subscribe. Subscribe if you want to, I don't really care.